Hello. So we all keep hearing about carbon footprint, about environmental impact, and we have different segment, different things that going on. And we all understand, we all know that the agricultural world have a significant contribution, negative contribution to the environmental impact. We also know that Haifa multi-coat technology, which is controlled release fertilizer, save a lot of this environmental impact, and actually reduce the carbon footprint. We in Haifa developed a tool embedded in MultiMatch now to show and to calculate exactly this carbon footprint issue. So hang on with me, 2 minutes, very quickly. I will share my screen now and we'll go over it. So we begin from Haifa webpage. Okay, we go then to software and apps into MultiMatch. Here we are signing in really quickly and we begin this short journey. So first we choose the crop, which will be I'll take potato, expected yield, then the planting and the harvesting date, okay, more or less expected. And as for plot location, I will take Italy for example. And on the next screen, we should set what will be the expected soil temperature per month at every stage of that crop cycle. And here we should change, we should select, the water regime. Okay, if it's very acidic, very tropical, but I will set it on semi-tropical for now. And here is the soil type. Let's have it on medium sandy and go to the next stage. And here already we have a result. We have the recommendation for a formulation by Haifa. And we can go here to release graph. What we have here is actually availability graph of the NPK, of the major element, in a kilogram per hectare unit, okay? And what we have here below is environmental and carbon footprint assessment for the entire crop cycle. Let's press on this and see what happens. Now, a package of information, by the way, in the background, is been sent to the Netherlands to a service provider we're working with. They're running the CIMA Pro model, and they're returning the data to us, the calculated data. We will have it shortly. Now, nice. Okay, so what we have here, this is the carbon footprint calculation. Multi-coat technology rating performance. Of course, it is compared to traditional application, and we can see all the different things. But I know this is very scientific way to present it, and sometimes it's hard to understand what exactly these numbers. So let me take you through. So first, let's find what is the difference. Okay, how much can we save from the environment? So this number is actually 0.0781, and we will reduce the other one. It's 0.0323. Okay, this is 20 before the number, of course. So this is the difference, and now we will multiply this in the expected yield in 70 ton. Okay, and I know that this is kilo, this is ton, but trust me, you can do the whole cycle and you get to the same calculations very quickly. So the result is 3.2 ton of carbon dioxide, equivalent carbon dioxide, being saved from the environment per hectare by using multi-coat technology. 3.2 ton of carbon dioxide equivalent saved from the environment by using multi-coat technology. So that's the result as we see here. And if you want to keep on your communication and develop it with Haifa, you can press on send to agronomist here. Here you should change your into your actual location. You can change set all the things, your phone number, and press send to send it to agronomist. So that's the tool, completely free for use. Please join in, try it, sample it, and most importantly, please reduce your carbon footprint. Thank you.